When I was growing up, my friends would ask me, I said, so, you know, can you speak some African? I said, what do you mean speak some African? I'm not going to have a cocktail of languages. I said, Africa is a continent, not a country. So what do you mean? I had to explain to my friends. Africa, you have west, east, south, and you have north. And sometimes you can tell by the way they talk or the way they dance. I'm from Congo. We may dance differently to Nigerians. Nigerians in the house make some noise. A Nigerian is very passionate. A Nigerian is so passionate. When a Nigerian man speaks, he can convince a lady who believes she's ugly, she's beautiful. You think you are gorgeous. When I see, to pay me and you. And you can tell the way a Nigerian man dances, even at his daughter's wedding, you think this man is unhappy. He's unhappy. Why is he so unhappy? But it's not. He's just expressing himself. Bigger. You will see the dancing. Nigeria changed this shocking. It started to look like martial arts film. Then we have the Ghanaians. Ghanaians happy independence, make some noise for Ghanaians. I love Ghanaian people. Ghanaian people don't want to talk. The Ghanaian will talk with happiness. The first time I went to Accra, the way they welcome you, you'll be confused. Oh, baby Kadi. Oh, Charlie, you are so well. I'm going to have a great time in Accra. I think Accra has so many eggs. Just the men. Just the men. I'm telling you, and the Ghanaians, you can tell they have this dance as well. A Ghanaian dancing is so nice. There was a story I saw of Ghanaian dancing as well. A Nigerian man was watching the Ghanaian in the party, and he said, "This is not enough." He had to add this Ghanaian thing as well to listen. Oh, Charlie. Oh, Charlie. Nigerian man was watching from the car. See, Naja, I don't tell me to something. I'm telling you, my God. But then you might not go to East Africa. East Africa, any Kenyans, Tanzanians, Ugandans in the house? Hello, how are you? East Africans are very united people, you can tell from the way they dance. In East Africans, you cannot rob anything. He will sit you over the fire and let his people know. When you land at the airport, they analyze the plane, they know if you are good in your body. From the way they dance, you can tell. Digit. I respect that because the Ghanaians are confused and playing. When you're landing in Ghana, air traffic control, they do it as well too, instead of the air traffic control. The plane is coming. It's confusing. But then you don't go to South Africa. Southern Africans in the house? One or two. After say, let's talk about you. South Africans, when they are dancing, they are confused. And South Africa doesn't know whether to go left or right. What should I do? It's as if he goes to Lagos and he don't know which one is the main line and which way is the island. Jumping like this house. Confused. But as I said, I'm from the Democratic Republic of Congo, ladies and gentlemen. Where I come from, we are not war for a long time. We are settling down, but the communist man is very powerful. You can talk from the realities. The communist man will warn you on the dance floor. That's why Congo people don't dance together, they dance together. The woman is concerned, it is not going to romance me or beat me. It's a trap.
Kadi now, me mama won't know this. Abasi white the prayer manti. Me mama won't know what me do, me a gonzosi. But go why ya chase destiny. Them a want me attend to boy bati. About the white deep Rayamanti. Me mama want know what me do, me a gonzosi. But go why ya chase destiny. Them I want me attend to boy batty. Me a whole lot starving to me. I come back at the ape and suffer die with no money. Pray God Almighty bless me. Parasia tell a little boy to come back reality. Me they lad me mind.